Hello friends, my name is Ajay Kaur. Today video topic is iterator in Java. Java is the iterator is the one of the Java resources of the Java iterators is and the interface that is the in order to the iterator over the collection of the Java object component is can be one by the one. It is the free to use the Java programming language. Since the Java 1.2 collection framework, it is the belong the to Java until package. Through the Java iterator, we introduced in the Java 1.2. However, it is the still not the old test role tool available to the through the element of the collection object. The old set of the iterator in the Java programming language is the iterator. Java iterator is the interface is successed the iterator in the has the beginning to the your the accessible collection like array list. The Java iterator is also known as the universal sources of the Java as the it is the approximator of the classes of the collection framework. The Java iterator also help of the operation like read and remove. When the compare to the Java iterator interface with the iterator the interface we can the say the same name of the methods of the available in the Java iterator are more and the string forward up to use. And second point is the advantages of the Java iterators. Iterator is the Java becomes the very due to the name source advantages and disadvantages of the Java iterator is given by the follow. First one is the user can be apply this iterators to the any of the classes of the collection framework. Second point is the Java in a Java iterator we can use the both of the read and remove the operation. Second point is the it is the user the working with the loop on the cannot be add and remove the collection. However, if they are use the Java iterator they can supply of the updates the collection. Second point is that the Java iterator is the consider the universal resource for a collection APL. The methods of the name is the Java iterator are the every easy and the every simple to use. Disadvantages of the Java iterators. The advantages of the iterator has the various advantages, also the disadvantages of the Java iterator are the given below. First one is the Java iterator only pressure the iteration in the forward direction. In the simple word of the Java iterator is the until directional iterator. The replacement and the extension of the new component are not provided by the Java iterator. In CRUD operation, the Java iterator does not hold the variation operation like of the update. The comparison with the Java iterator is does not support the transposing element of the parallel pattern, which is the Java iterator is support only sequential iterators. The comparison with the shift iterators, Java iterator does not support more than the reliable expansion of the transfer the bulk volume and data. Second point is how to use Java iterator. When a user need to the use of the Java iterator, then the comparison for the make of the instance of the iterator interface form the collection of the object they are the over the after the received interference still of the component of the collection to the make of the user and the transfer over the each of the element of the collection of object. If the user modifier the understanding the collection of the and is iterator loading to the collection, then the iterator will be typely it and it will through a expansion in next time when the user will be attempt to the get of the next component from the iterator. Thank you.